Welcome. If you're looking to enable notification sounds for push-to-talk activation on Discord web using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Discord update, it's easier than ever to stay on top of your voice chat activity. Let's walk through the steps together so you never miss that satisfying PTT beep again. First, open Discord directly from your browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, just head to the Discord website and log in to your account. Once you're inside, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Now that you're in user settings, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the notifications section. Click on notifications to access all the sound and alert options available to you. Inside the notifications menu, scroll down until you reach the sound section. Here, you'll see a list of different sound toggles for various Discord activities. Look specifically for the option labeled PTT Activate. This is the sound that plays every time you press your push-to-talk key, letting you know your microphone is live. To enable the PTT Activate sound, simply click the toggle next to it so it turns on. If you also want to hear a sound when you release the push-to-talk key, you can enable PTT Deactivate as well. These sounds provide instant feedback, making it clear when you're transmitting your voice and when you're not. Once you've enabled the PTT Activate sound, you're all set. Close out of your settings, and you'll now hear a notification every time you activate push-to-talk in your voice channels. This feature is especially helpful for gamers, streamers, or anyone who wants to be sure their mic is live at just the right moment. Thanks for tuning in. Now you can enjoy a more responsive and connected Discord experience with every push-to-talk press.